See, once again, right? Full explain कर देता हूँ human brain. Here I have drawn the diagram and surrounding its parts and functions. Human brain. Central nervous system consists of human brain and spinal cord, where brain is the highest coordinating center. Human brain is well protected inside bony box named as cranium. Right? Brain. अरे यार, एक मिनट. Brain is well protected inside the bony box, which is known as cranium. Right? It has 3 folds around it, and these 3 folds are known as meninges. Right? Now, between this portion, that is cranium and brain, there is a fluid, and this fluid is known as cerebrospinal fluid. Correct? दिखता होगा, right? Between this and brain, green dots मैंने बनाया है, that is cerebrospinal fluid, and its function is to absorb mechanical shock. Now, human brain, 3 main parts. Front part of human brain is known as forebrain. Correct? Now we have information about forebrain. जैसे forebrain आया, you will remember क्या-क्या लिखना है. So forebrain information 2, 4, 3. So forebrain, it is the largest part. It is the main thinking region. It has 2. 2 means it has 2 hemisphere. Brain है 2 part में divide हुआ है. 2 hemisphere, right? Each one is having 4 lobes. एक hemisphere में 4 lobes है. So दोनों मिला के total 8 lobes, right? And these lobes are occipital lobe. First one is occipital lobe, and its function, it has center of visual reception. जो हम देखते हैं वो occipital lobe में जाएगा. Second is temporal lobe, has center of auditory reception, जो सुनाई देता है, right? It goes in temporal lobe. Frontal lobe, आगे का portion, frontal, it is for muscular activities, and parietal lobe is associated with smell, touch, and temperature. Right? कोई भी चीज की smell जो है कहाँ detect होगी? It goes in parietal lobe. Besides this, human brain has areas like sensory areas. Sensory area क्या है? Information from body part goes in the brain in the sensory area. So it receives information from body to brain. अब वो होगा, but क्या होगा साथ में? That information is stored there, and then if similar situation arises, then the decision is taken. Right? कहा था मैंने कल कि एक situation बनी, दोबारा same situation आएगी तो याद होगा नहीं, पहली बार ऐसा हुआ था, उस दिन उसने मुझे ऐसा कहा था. Correct? तो ये similar situation आई, accordingly the decisions are taken, and that decision reply is sent to effector organ from motor area. So this area sends information to body. Right? So it was about forebrain. Okay. Then we go this side, human brain. Forebrain. Forebrain is cerebrum, the main part. Now middle portion of the brain, midbrain. Right? Here is the midbrain. So क्या है? It connects forebrain and the lower, that is hindbrain. दोनों का combination होता है middle portion, midbrain. Now midbrain has 2 centers, one for voluntary activities, another is for involuntary activities, and it includes involuntary activities like heartbeat, breathing, controlling size of pupil. Heartbeats जो हमारे चलते हैं हमें याद नहीं करता, वो खुद चलते रहेंगे. क्यों चलेंगे? Because of involuntary activity performed by midbrain. Right? Then lower portion of the brain, hindbrain. So hindbrain में ये सब आ जाएंगे. It contains cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata. Correct? Cerebellum क्या है? Here is the cerebellum. This portion cerebellum. It maintains body balance and center of voluntary action. Right? हम सीधा चल सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ सेरेबेलम, राइट? ड्रंकर्ड पर्सन जो दारू पी के चलता है वो सीधा नहीं चलेगा, व्हाई? हिज सेरेबेलम इज अफेक्टेड. Right? Pons is the region where nerves unite, middle brain or hindbrain, forebrain or hindbrain. Medulla oblongata is the region from which spinal cord arises. All right, and this medulla oblongata has center of involuntary activities. The involuntary activities like blood pressure, salivation, vomiting, and because of this, injury to medulla oblongata results in death. वहां पे इंजरी होगी, इंसान मर जाएगा, राइट? हिंदी मूवी का स्टैंडर्ड सीन, हीरो आता है विलन के अड्डे में, जो साइड पे खड़े रहते हैं इसको यहाँ मारता है, मर जाता है, राइट? विलन को कितना भी मारो वो नहीं मरेगा जल्दी, लेकिन हीरो का जो विलन के साथ वाले जो है मर जाता है. वो क्या दिखाता है? दैट इज मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा. ठीक है? सो दिस वाज अबाउट ह्यूमन ब्रेन, राइट? मैं आप में से किसी को कहूंगा परफेक्टली पूरा आंसर बोल सके ऐसा. चलो, अंदर हैंड रेस का ऑप्शन है, रेस करो, लेट मी सी. अरे वाह, काफी सारे हैं, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, पूर्वी मिश्रा, माइक ऑन करो. पूर्वी, या
Yes, sir.
पूरा आंसर बताना है. क्वेश्चन इज स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शन, शॉर्ट नोट अबाउट ह्यूमन ब्रेन, राइट? अपने हिसाब से सीक्वेंस में बताना, पढ़ना नहीं है यहां से, राइट? स्टार्ट.
The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Brain is the highest coordinating center, which is protected in a bony box known as cranium. It has
Good.
three folds known as the meninges. The fluid between brain and cranium is known as cerebrospinal fluid, which helps to absorb the mechanical shocks.
Very good.
The front part of the brain is known as forebrain, which is the largest part and the main thinking region. It consists of two hemispheres, and each hemisphere has four lobes, named as occipital lobe, which is center of visual reception, temporal
lobe,
which is the center of auditory reception, frontal lobe, which helps the muscular activity, parietal lobe, which helps us to know the smell, touch, and temperature.
Very good.
And there are three areas: sensory area, which helps to carry impulses from body to brain, and the informations are stored, which helps to make the decisions at the similar situation. Motor area, which carry impulses from brain to body, and mixed area which carry impulses from both brain to body and body to brain.
Okay, right? तो previous point जो लिखा है आपने उसमें ये नहीं है. So it has both the types of nerves. Both the types of nerves, right, are found in mixed areas. Good. Okay. Then शुरू करो आगे का portion इस side का.
Then comes the midbrain. Midbrain, which connects the forebrain and the hindbrain, and is the center of voluntary and involuntary activities like heartbeat, breathing, and even controls the size of pupil. Then comes the hindbrain, which consists of cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata.
Very good.
Cerebellum maintains the body balance and is known to be the center of voluntary activities or voluntary action. Pons, where nerves of brain and spinal cord pass, and medulla oblongata is the center of involuntary activities like blood pressure, salivation, and vomiting is carried. And when there is an injury to medulla oblongata, it can lead to death.
Yes, very good. ठीक है, right? Now, students, ये point